Hey Red Apple Girls, Ashley here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a blush and burgundy makeup look by pairing the Pointe eyeshadow with the lipstick in the shade called Fierce. So continue watching to see how to create this makeup look. The first eyeshadow that you're going to be applying is in the shade called Pointe, and you're going to be applying this all over your eyelids. The next eyeshadow that you're going to be using is in the shade called Vamp, and you're going to want to apply this very lightly to the crease and then a little bit heavier for the outer corner. To line your eyes, use the eyeliner in the shade called Eggplant. To finish your eyes, now you're going to be applying the Lash Project mascara. Complete your makeup look by applying the lipstick in the shade called Fierce. Really with any lipstick, but especially with darker colors like this, I highly recommend applying it with a lip brush. Here I have a light application of the Fierce lipstick, but I will also show you a side-by-side of the light application as well as a bolder application so you can see the range that you can get with this lipstick. Fierce is a gorgeous, deep, vampy lipstick, but as I showed earlier in the video, you can definitely apply it lighter as more of a lip stain by just using a lip brush. So if you're a little bit nervous about this being too dark, you don't have to worry about that. Just use a lip brush and you'll have a lot more control over the color. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye!